Hey guys, Golfinguy7 here with break number 13. Be sure to check out blowoutcards.com for all your supplies. They also have a good forum there as well. Here's a list of all the buyers. Serial number. Here's a base, 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 base. Here's a nice card. It's a blue mirror of Evgeny Malkin with the Pittsburgh Penguins. It's a nice blue swatch there. It's number 39 out of 99. Base, base, base. This is a Mass Marvels. Andre Pavlik, the Jets. Spacer, base. Base, base. It's the freshman signatures. It's Thomas Kubalik, the Columbus Blue Jackets. Spacer, base, base. Base, base. This is a mirror, a red mirror of Biz Nasty with the Coyotes. It's number 89 out of 199. Spacer, base, base. Base, 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 base. This is a jersey, Mass Marvels. First one I've seen. It's of Jonas Hiller with the Anaheim Ducks. It's a nice card. No number. First one I've seen. Base. Base. This is a blue mirror of Timo Solani with the Anaheim Ducks. 66 out of 99. Spacer. Base. 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 This is a rookie auto jersey of Ryan Johansson. 474 out of 499. It's a nice card. Base. 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 Here's a card that I've never seen as well. It's a Throwback Threads. Charlie Simmer with the Cleveland Barons. I'm gonna have to see what team that belongs to, who Cleveland Barons turned into. Spacer, base. Base, 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 spacer, base. Here's the last pack. Base, 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 and this is a fabric of the game, Yaroslav Halak with the St. Louis Blues. It's 34 out of 99. Thank you all for participating in my box break. See you later.